In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the incredibly frustrating issue where an image file refuses to open or shows as an unsupported format in Adobe Photoshop. We have all been there. You are in the middle of a creative workflow, you try to drag and drop a vital asset into your canvas, and Photoshop hits you with an error message saying it cannot parse the file or the format is not supported. This can happen for dozens of different reasons, ranging from simple extension errors to deep software compatibility issues. In this comprehensive guide, I am going to walk you through 5 proven methods to bypass these errors and get back to your editing as quickly as possible. This tutorial is designed for those who need a professional fix without losing any image quality. Whether you are dealing with corrupted headers, incompatible metadata, or just a simple naming error, we have you covered. Before we dive into the technical details, if this video helps you save your project, then please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive software tutorials just like this one. Your support really helps us create more free content for the creative community. Let us jump right into the first and most common solution to get your workflow back on track. Method number 1 involves checking your file extension. Believe it or not, many files downloaded from the web often have hidden or incorrect extensions that confuse Photoshop's engine. For example, a file might be a JPEG but is mistakenly labeled as a different type during the download process. You need to verify if the file ends in a standard format like .jpg, .png, .psd, or .tiff. Sometimes a file might be labeled as a WebP or have no extension at all. To fix this, simply right-click the file on your desktop or in your folder, select Rename, and manually type in the correct extension like .jpg. Photoshop is very strict about extensions matching the internal file structure, so changing this manually often forces the software to reevaluate the file. Often, this simple change is enough for Photoshop to recognize the underlying data structure and open the image immediately without any further errors. If that does not work, we move on to method number 2, which is using the powerful Camera Raw engine as a backdoor. Occasionally, Photoshop's standard opening process fails because of specific metadata issues or color profile conflicts. To bypass this, go to the File menu at the top left of your screen and select Open As instead of the standard Open command. In the dialog box that appears, click the drop-down menu for file types and specifically choose Camera Raw from the list. Now, select your problematic image and click Open. Camera Raw uses a different processing engine than the standard Photoshop workspace, and it is much more forgiving with metadata and raw data structures. Many users find that files which fail the standard import protocol load perfectly fine within the Camera Raw interface. If the image opens there, you can see the preview and make adjustments. Then you can simply click Open Image at the bottom to bring it into your main Photoshop workspace for further editing. Now, let us talk about method number 3, the resaving technique. This is almost a universal fix for corrupted headers or non-standard compression that might be blocking your progress. If Photoshop is being stubborn, try opening the image in a basic system application like Windows Photos on a PC or Preview on a Mac. These basic viewers are designed to be extremely lightweight and are often less strict about file standards and metadata validation than professional-grade editing software like Adobe. Once the image is opened in the basic viewer, go to the File menu and select Save As or Export. Choose a high-quality JPEG or a PNG format and save it as a completely new file with a unique name. By doing this, the operating system effectively recreates the file's header and metadata from scratch, scrubbing away whatever technical glitch or non-standard formatting was confusing Photoshop. Once saved, go back into Photoshop and try to open this new version. 9 times out of 10, it will open without a hitch because it is now a standard clean file. If you are still seeing errors after trying that, we need to look at method number 4, checking for software updates. This is a step many people overlook, but Adobe frequently releases patches for Photoshop, specifically to address compatibility with new camera formats, mirrorless sensors, and modern image compression standards like HEIC. If your software is outdated, it might literally lack the code required to read your specific file, or handle the encryption level it uses. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application and navigate to the Updates tab on the left sidebar. Look for Photoshop in the list and click Update if one is available. Keeping your software current ensures you have the latest drivers and libraries for file handling. Finally, we must consider method number 5, which is checking for true file corruption. If you have tried all the previous steps and the file won't open in Photoshop or Windows Photos or even a basic web browser, the file itself might be corrupted at the source. This can happen during a faulty download, a camera writing error, a sudden power loss, or a failing hard drive. In this case, there is no software fix. You must try to download the file again or recover it from your source device like an SD tar. Troubleshooting these errors can be a major headache, but following these 5 steps systematically should get you back on track. If this walkthrough resolved your issue today and got you back to your creative work, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.